Good morning, everybody. I hope your day is going superbly so far. What I'm going to share with you right now is a website called Blush.design. And what this offers us is a whole variety of categories of illustrations. This is a little bit like clip art of old, except this time within the categories, you are able to edit each illustration as the demonstration is showing here. So let's go into one that I've got ready-made, which is called Street Life. And this is street peoples. And this whole PNG here that we are able to collect for free, you'll be able to use this for free. You can go and edit your clip art however you like. What you are offered is a download function for a small PNG. You have to pay for the medium, large, and the vector graphics. However, inside the share function, you can go and copy the URL. Once you copy that URL, you can see you get an 800 by 526 PNG, which is much larger than the one you would download. And this makes it extremely useful for students. Now, with it being so visual, it's a great option for likes of EAL and primary, and even for poster work for your displays. Have a look, blush.design. I hope it's useful.
Hello everybody, 3 tips, 2.5 minutes. I've got my boys are playing cricket in the garden, inspired by the England victory over New Zealand. So if you hear some strange noises, well, that's just how they play cricket. My first tip is all about the browser. Sometimes you close a tab and then you want to open it back up again. And you're just like, oh, I've got to go to the history. And what you do, there's a keyboard shortcut, Crtl+Shift+T, and it will open up the tab that you've just closed. And you can see that there when you click on the history button. If I zoom in using my zoom it, Crtl+Shift+T, use it. It will save you a lot of time. That's my first tip. My second tip is signing PDF documents. What's the fastest way to sign a PDF document? HR, performance management, whatever you want. Here I've got something in my inbox and I need to be able to sign it. So I'm going to Windows right to send that to the right, put on my Edge browser and open up a new tab and then just drag it in. And hey presto, it opens up the PDF document. I then choose my pen or my finger even, choose my color, and I sign and I save it. So I save it to the desktop and then I've got my document and I can send it. So Windows M, there it is on my desktop. My third tip is all about OneDrive as well. When I'm in my Edge browser and I click on a new tab, I can use the waffle to get to OneDrive. And there's some features in OneDrive, sharing features, which are really good, a little bit better than Google Drive. Google Drive is pretty good, but they're a little bit better, I think, in here. So let me go to, let's find that Artemis Ranger document, look, and I want to share it. So when I click on share, it gives me the same sort of features as Google. But now when I click on anyone with the link, I can stop editing, but I can set an expiration date. So 2 days in the future, when I share that link with somebody, it's gone. I can also set a password if the data is sensitive, and I can block the download. Click apply, get my link, send. I hope it's less than 2.5 minutes. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.
Hello. If you go onto our library website and scroll down, you'll find Destiny Library Search. Now, this is where we would normally look for books, but down the left-hand side, you'll notice WebPath Express. This is a dedicated search engine purely for schools. Now, it's a safe place for students and children to go and look, and you can search by keyword, you can search by theme or subject area. I'm going to look for tigers, which I've looked for before, and you'll notice that it brings up over 700 items that it's found. Now, of course, this is far fewer than Google would bring back, which might be a limitation, but actually it makes it easy to find stuff. Using the drop-down menus, you can refine it even further. So I'm going to go Siberian tigers, grade level, which is our year groups. You can go 6 to 8, which is Key Stage 3, and then domain, you can go anywhere in the world. I'm just going to go for .org. And then language, there are a few languages to choose from. I'll go for English. If you now press get results, you'll notice that over 700 has now come down to 5. That makes searching far more specific and a lot quicker.